Crash Course on Greece. Local Cuisine and Food Culture. Welcome to a crash course on Greece's local cuisine and food culture. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds as we delve into traditional dishes, food markets, and unique culinary experiences. Along the way, we'll share interesting stories and examples to ignite your excitement. Let's begin. Greek cuisine is known for its fresh ingredients, vibrant flavors, and Mediterranean influence. The country's food culture is deeply rooted in its rich history and agricultural traditions. Here are a few fascinating stories and examples to whet your appetite. 1. Olive oil. Greece is renowned for its high-quality olive oil, often referred to as liquid gold. Greeks have been cultivating olive trees for thousands of years, and olive oil plays a central role in their cuisine. It's used generously in salads, dips, and cooking, adding a distinct flavor and richness to dishes. 2. Feta cheese. Feta cheese is a staple in Greek cuisine and has a protected designation of origin. Made from sheep's milk or a mixture of sheep's and goat's milk, feta is tangy, salty, and crumbly. It is a key ingredient in the famous Greek salad and is also enjoyed in pastries, pies, and as a table cheese. 3. Souvlaki. Souvlaki is a popular street food in Greece, consisting of skewered and grilled meat, typically pork or chicken. It's often served with pita bread, tzatziki sauce, and a side of Greek salad. Souvlaki is a convenient and delicious option for a quick meal on the go. 4. Moussaka. Moussaka is a classic Greek dish that layers eggplant, ground meat, traditionally lamb, and a creamy bechamel sauce. It's baked to perfection and served as a hearty main course. Each bite is a medley of flavors that will transport you to the heart of Greek cuisine. 5. Baklava. Indulge your sweet tooth with baklava, a delightful pastry made of layers of phyllo dough, nuts, often walnuts or pistachios, and honey syrup. It's a rich and decadent treat that showcases the sweet side of Greek culinary traditions. Now, let's explore the top 12 attractions that celebrate Greece's local cuisine and food culture. 1. Athens Central Market. Immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of Athens Central Market, where locals and visitors alike gather to shop for fresh produce, seafood, spices, and local delicacies. 2. Hania Municipal Market. Wander through the bustling Hania Municipal Market in Crete, a treasure trove of aromatic herbs, cheeses, olives, and traditional Cretan products. 3. Thessaloniki Food Tour. Embark on a food tour in Thessaloniki, tasting a variety of local specialties like bougitsa, a sweet or savory pastry, souvlaki, and meze, small plates. 4. Santorini Wine Tasting. Discover the unique vineyards of Santorini and indulge in wine tastings, experiencing the distinct volcanic terroir that gives Santorini wines their exceptional character. 5. Crete Olive Oil Tour. Explore the olive groves of Crete and learn about the olive oil production process, from harvesting the olives to pressing them into golden oil. Enjoy tastings and discover the nuances of different olive oil varieties. 6. Lesvos Ouzo Tasting. Visit the island of Lesvos, known for its ouzo production. Take part in an ouzo tasting experience, learning about the traditional distillation methods and enjoying the anise-flavored spirit. 7. Naxos Cheese Making Workshop. Join a cheese making workshop in Naxos and learn the art of crafting traditional Greek cheeses like Graviera, Kefalotyri, and Amphityro. 8. Pelion Gastronomic Tour. Explore the culinary delights of the Pelion region, where you can sample local specialties like spoon sweets, sipuro, a grape-based spirit, and the region's famous apple pie. 9. Rhodes Food Walking Tour. Take a food walking tour in Rhodes, savoring local treats like loukoumades, honey-soaked dough balls, pitaroudia, chickpea fritters, and traditional pastries. 10. Meteora Culinary Experience. Delight in a culinary experience in Meteora, where you can participate in a cooking class and learn to prepare Greek dishes under the guidance of a local chef. 11. Cretan Feast. Attend a Cretan feast, known as a glendy, where you can enjoy a lavish spread of traditional dishes accompanied by Cretan music and dance. 12. Greek Cooking Retreat. Embark on a Greek cooking retreat on one of the picturesque Greek islands, immersing yourself in the culinary traditions of Greece and learning to create authentic Greek recipes. In summary, Greece's local cuisine and food culture are a feast for the senses. From the bustling markets to the traditional dishes and unique culinary experiences, Greece offers a culinary journey that reflects its rich history and cultural heritage. And now, let's savor a poem celebrating the flavors and traditions of Greek cuisine. In Greece, where flavors dance and sing, a symphony of tastes that memories bring. Olive oil, the elixir of the land, enriching dishes with a golden hand. Feta cheese, a briny delight, crowned on salads, a heavenly bite. Souvlaki grills with smoky charm, wrapped in pita, keeping us warm. Moussaka layers, a savory surprise. Eggplant, meat, and creamy skies. Baklava's sweet embrace, a heavenly art. Layers of phyllo, honeyed heart. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 79893335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our InHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.